Hello colleagues, today we will learn about data science. Many a times you might have heard of Industry 4.2, autonomous systems, Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, machine learning, all these technologies. Does technologies makes everyone's life easier? Not necessary until you have the right data associated with the technology for useful purpose. If I put you a question, does Walmart, Netflix, all these websites, Amazon, how do they become successful? Is it just because of the data? Of course, the answer is yes. Just because of the data, they are becoming more and more successful. Amazon collects lots sort of data like when do you purchase, what do you purchase, at what price you are purchasing, and is it seasonal, is it based on the festivals, or it's based on the color what you are choosing, right? All these things, they collect the data and they promote more and more of these products in the apps what you are using, in the mobile applications what you are using. This is where the data science comes into the picture. In simple words, data science is a process of using the data to find a meaningful solution or predicting the outcomes for a particular problem. When data is very small, you can analyze this data using a spreadsheet, Excel, Word document, and do certain sort of calculation. But what do you do when you have millions of data, thousands of records to analyze, right? It's not possible by humans. Why do we are talking about lots of data? Because in early 90s, people did not have access to the internet and also to the technology, and they were producing very little data. But now, with industrial revolution happening, we have got a lot of mobile apps, internet accesses are coming in, right? In 2004, we had Facebook coming in. In 2005, we have YouTube. In 2009, we had WhatsApp. In 2010, we have histogram. Right? Now with all these apps, internet and technology is becoming very handy. Every person, every kid has got it, right? And lot of information is produced based on this mobile app. They are purchasing something, these informations are going through, right? That's where we need big data to analyze it and process it. That's where we need people to look into this big amount of data and create, these are called data sciences, to help the businesses. Also to notice, very important, that these days we have lots of computational power, RAM, storage, cloud, right? And data analytics applications all are available. Now let's learn about how this data science and what does steps it involves. It involves finding out the problem, acquiring of the data, data preparation, data analysis, modeling creation out of this data, and deploying and showcasing in the useful graphical form. Let's learn deeper. As I told, problem statement is the key, it's the heart, right? You need to ask the customers what problem you are facing, right? You want to know whether what type of products are they are purchasing, or which colors they are interested, why some products are successful in some region, why some products are failing in some region, right? Whether it is only seasonal like festival, or whether it is language specific or regional specific. This is problem statement. For this to find it out, you need to acquire the data from where? From websites, from the applications what they are using, from the log files, from the behavior of the person who is using these applications. Gathering of all this data and storing it makes our job easier for our next step, that is data preparation. In the data preparation step, you have got two activities which you majorly carry out. One is data cleaning and second one is called data transformation. Many a times what happens is when you have this data, it is not clean. For example, data format is not correct. Some data are in 24-hour format, some data are in 12-hour format. You need to bring that into the same format. You need to remove unwanted data, what is there, null values, right? Missing spell mistakes, duplicate values might be there. You need to clean up all these things, right? and then you need to harmonize it and keep all this data in a proper format by transforming the data. Once you have achieved transforming of the data, then you are ready for the next step, that is data modeling, that you have to create by analyzing the data, right? Exploration of the data has to be carried out. This steps involves feature variable selection. So you have to select the right type of features what you are looking out of this data. This will help to choose the right model and create a value out of it. Once the feature variables are selected, you go to the next step, that is called data modeling, where you apply different types of models like KNN, naive Bayes, decision tree, and these models will help you to find the insights, and based on the learning what you do, you have to choose the best model what is suitable for your application. Programming languages like Python are used for this model development. Once the model is ready, you have to deploy it and you have to demonstrate to the customer, showcasing how good it is functioning. As part of this, right, you have lot of activities that needs to be carried out. You can go through the Tableau or some Power BI application to do so. With that, I would like to conclude this small session on data science. Until next time, happy learning. Thank you.